The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care.
Leon,
Badu,
Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life. Yeah. It's all about Jamaica, you know. Got the best thing out just right now, you know.
Yeah.
Pot pan fireside, roadside, and a beat with liquor and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's nice.
Jamaica
Work and come
lifestyle.
home and we party type, weekend type of party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Living the lifestyle.
Living the lifestyle.
You know, culture life.
Yeah, no cold, no snow. Just warm sunshine.
Yeah. Come here, brother. Brother, where you run gone, brother? Where you mean weird? Come here, brother, man. Take your slippers. Alright, go on. Take your slippers and come. Yeah, brother, go. Look at Jacob. You still a follow me, Jacob? Yeah. Jacob, look at Jacob. Yes. What's the problem, mate? I said Jacob a follow me and go and do things, you know. Alright, say Jacob. Say Jamaica good life. Come here. Jacob. I mean no. You want food? Yeah? Look, you get company now, Jacob. I mean no, is that your son, Jacob? No? No, Jacob. Alright. Alright. Look who's back. Come, my brother. Come here. Can you see you put on your slippers and come? Oh, say Jamaica good life. Just say Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, go on, brother.
No.
Don't act shy, you know, because you're not shy. You shy? Yeah, I like your hairstyle. You trim. Oh, that. Great rush, you trim. So why you act so shy now?
Eh?
Why you acting shy now?
I don't know why my attention like.
So you're going with though, brother, man.
No, it's not going with no, huh?
You just are go and chill.
Yeah.
Oh, are you a cat that? I know you're a cat that.
Yeah, my cat.
Yeah. I never know you have cat. So you have dog and you have cat too.
Yeah.
So you are go on, man. Sure. What's up in your eye? Jano. What happened?
Jano have cat and dog.
Jano, you have cat and dog? Show all of your fling. Hey, you stop there? Push that.
Song off the play first.
You mean song off a play? You can dance here. Why song off a play?
Song off the play.
Alright, which song you want to play?
I show all of your
Man, show all of
play.
your fling. Hey, I show all of your fling.
I thought shut up.
Look at that. Look, you see?
What?
You see what I do? Look, video the tree. Yeah. And that me I do.
You have to like you?
Yeah, video you know. Say so me I do. Eh? So you can't dance it without me singing.
I'm sure that you sing.
Come right as I come dance it, man. Yeah, I know you're not shy now. Man show all of you fling.
And show that we are fling.
Bossa dance, let me see. Flare it. Flare it. Flare it.
Oh,
Flare
there
it.
you go.
Rush, you know the dance there, man, you see?
Flare it. Flare it.
Alright, you show me a dance then.
Alright, I want to play. I want to play.
But I have no song to play, so you can't dance.
Love man, brother.
You don't love man, brother. Eh, you say you don't love man, brother.
No.
I know you don't love man, brother. Bossa dance, you know, man. Nah, bossa dance.
I think I need new dance.
Which new dance? Huh?
You want to tell a new dance?
Yeah.
And show that we are fling. And show that we are fling.
Oh, what? Yeah.
And show that we
Yeah,
are
fling. Oh, you fling it now. A mosquito still a bite you? That ball. Yeah, baller.
Yes, big ball. Call me Benzema.
Oh. Yeah, who?
Big ball. Call me Benzema.
Benzema. Oh, so you're top striker.
Yes.
Big baller here. Where we are, number 10?
Number 4.
Number 4. But number 4 wait. Number 4 a big baller. A big defender.
I'm a racing carrier.
Yeah, how much rush? 4. Yeah, 4. Oh, you're getting big, man. Yeah, 4.
Yeah, 4.
Man, a 4. 4 fingers. Yeah, so what you say now? We are say about mosquito. We are say about down there, so.
Yeah, I'm telling you I'm foolish already.
What you mean, brother? You tell me I'm foolish. We are talking about brother.
Brother, I'm gonna tell you a last chance, you know.
Yeah, what you tell me?
It's a be a butterfly, be a butterfly, be a butterfly,
Yeah.
be a mosquito,
Yeah.
be a fly. I type of things.
Oh, that Jamaica?
Yeah,
Yeah. So, Jamaica, good life.
Jamaica good life.
Oh,
Welcome to Jamaica life.
yeah. Welcome to Jamaica life.
I'm Yamba Jamaica chair, you know.
Are you on Baja make this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so you have talent, man, Rush.
I think give my money.
You get money?
Yeah.
So you work and get paid?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
That's what I want to tell you.
Lie, bro. Never know you get paid, man.
You have money there?
So your money there?
Eh?
Where your money there?
In my house.
So, brother, so you work and get paid and you don't buy me a bag juice, brother?
Brother.
Yeah.
Brother, them money I give me. Them money here.
Three money him give?
This him give me. This.
So him give you $300?
Yeah.
And you not give me $100? You not give...
And him give me butterfly too.
What, brother? So you there? So you have money, Rush?
Yeah, brother.
Brother, you're rich, man.
I'm rich too.
You're very young already and rich.
Very rich. I see this?
Mm-hmm.
You're 4 years old.
You're 4 years old.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this can pop off.
Yes, brother, but I can't believe so you have money, brother. You don't buy me a bag juice. And you come check me, brother.
Bomba, brother.
What?
Said bad juice.
You sell bag juice?
You said bad juice.
When?
It's in my house now.
Oh, you start sell bag juice?
Yeah. You start selling bad juice.
So how much you sell a bag juice for? Brother, you're too expensive, brother.
No. I said the bad juice is 10 years.
For them, brother.
You have to give me money. Let me say that bad juice now.
Alright then, alright. How much fee that? I give you the money. But bag juice is not for so much. Bag juice are what? $20. Brother? At least for bag juice.
Yeah. Give me now.
So you gonna sell me a bag juice?
Yeah.
What, brother? Alright, then go on, sell me a bag juice and come back. My head drop, brother. Yo, brother, you sell bag Come on, sir. Come, brother, man. Brother, say back juice. What do you mean?
Tell you.
Tell you, you're rough, brother.
I change.
We change. Thanks, brother. Why you awful? Wanna sell back juice?
You take your drink and keep back juice.
Brother, you're rich, man.
Yeah, I never know.
No.
Pacha give me so much of that.
Oh, so you hustle long time, rush, man.
Yeah.
So, okay, so you just use it for your lunch money and go school.
Yeah.
Oh.
Them cut that. My brother them call calabar.
Oh.
Brother got big calabar. Me got big calabar too.
Oh, so you got big calabar too.
Yeah.
So your brother got big calabar.
Yeah.
Okay.
I never know.
No, I mean, rush.
What do you mean?
Lime tree. There's a lime tree here. Rush, lime tree.
Yeah.
A lime tree is rush.
Yeah.
Jamaica good life. You see?
Jamaica good life tree.
Yeah. We have lime tree in Kingston, rush.
Yeah. So them.
What?
They been there.
You been?
Yeah.
What they been there? Oh, so they been right here, so rush.
Right there, so.
Yeah.
So I go up, ma.
Lift it up. And drop it. Ah, good boy. Oh, it's a lime tree.
Yeah. Lime tree.
Aloe vera.
All over there beans.
No, aloe vera. These are aloe vera.
Eh?
Remember this Cinco Bible?
This thing go over.
See there?
Oh, remember no.
Remember now?
You eat single Bible?
Yeah. Remember? Eat it. Cinco Bible.
That was some.
Yeah, later on I'm gonna cut these.
I got copies and here. I got big one and here.
No, not yet.
And I want to know.
No.
Pick one of that. Give me.
Why, lime?
Yeah.
Nah, man.
Eh?
Nah.
And you might also get make it.
So pick lime. It's not ready yet. It's young. Look, you can see it young.
What?
The lime. It's young. And so look, Rush, kid. You want Kane Rush? Kid.
I can't go through that.
Kid.
Remember, Ken, you know? See Ken here?
See this?
Remember, tell me like Ken, you know?
Oh, Jamaica good life.
Jamaica cool Ken.
Jamaica good Kane.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Well, see Kane. Kenny.
Kenny.
Sugar cane.
Supposed to still go and eat it.
Yeah, no. Kane is still young.
Young.
Ah.
Looking at that. Looking at that. Okay,
Looking what? Looking what?
that. Let's see something there.
Oh. It's a more cane. And banana.
Can still stay.
Yes, Rush.
No. That's mostly.
We have muscle. Rush, you lift weight. Man strong. Man got muscle.
Never know you have muscle too.
Yeah, you have.
Like me.
See cane.
Yeah, so I got that.
Oh. I
And
can
I
see.
can see the sheep in the door.
Rush. Well, the beauty. Jamaica.
Man!
How you call Rush?
Man.
Man. Sport.
Figure.
Mommy, what you selling?
150 marina, 150 underpass, 200 underpass.
Oh, Jamaica, good life. Come here. You gonna here sell already. You can't go here already. If me the people them see your product.
Yeah, man,
So just in case, you did live.
Say, yeah, in Jamaica.
Put something for your big.
No, I forget 11. No, reach 11.
Reach past 11.
11.
This is our level, man. You don't know, we not too have no tape measure no.
Level.
Square and none of them.
Yeah.
We don't have none of them things.
He's a broom, man.
Look for that.
Wagwan, balance.
Look for that.
Balance.
Straight. You want a house bill? Why? You have to buy your tool.
What's here?
We don't have nothing else you can see with that.
Yeah.
To improvise.
Yeah, improvise.
Yeah, do the work. Watch this.
Yo, Jamaica is nice.
Yo,
Good life, slim as no. Slim as, say something no.
I want the man them be able to them that,
Yeah. Yo, the one them creative, man. And then use a boom.
yeah, man, this is our level G.
Wow!
Come on.
Jamaica, good life. Let them know.
Wow!
Jamaica good life.
Mr. Wawa come, cat the candy, everything there. Like we tell you, underpants, marina, way.
Cotton candy. Aye. Cotton candy is here. Cause you know them can't find you. So I go on the candy them in general. Cause you know this is a Jamaica Good Life program. You see me? Aye.
Yeah, man, the people know yourselves, you know.
Come that side there, cause kind of shady. Yeah. So I go on. Alright. Jamaica Good Life. Me them know.
Oh, mama, look. All the kids there, look now. Aye. You're not there, nothing. Wow! I'm the white, I'm the cook them, I'm the cook them, look now. I'm the junkie, you know. I'm more, Aye. Ah, foreigner, Jamaica, big up. Wow.
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica good.
Good life. You can't.
Jamaica good night.
Good life.
No, you can't.
No phone. Phone last. So I go on there create there. Cotton candy. Cotton candy. Who remember this style? Aye style.
Aye.
Yeah.
Kids them look.
Kids them love you. The kids them there. Aye. Blessed. Yeah. Jamaica Good Life.
Uno dad.
No.
And even the hungry na dog.
Yeah, I'm not
Last night you hungry last night.
Hungry for his food, you know.
Yo, listen to brother. Jojo hungry last night. Man getting food before. Me get my food before him. So my cousin look round. Me look on bone and pasta alone. One plate. And now I go short Ruga. Show.
I mean, Jojo that
Ruga.
That box.
Last night.
I mean, I don't play food to eat.
No, did you them me buy the food and take an hour to eat it off. But last night, you well raw. That was back then. No.
I buy a chicken and chips from my dog and believe me, brother. That bad.
I think you're alone with man.
They were good last night, dog.
Jamaica Good Life.
Oh,
Yeah.
on the positive life.
Yeah.
So you that me know too?
I'm on next.
Next.
Yeah.
You hear that? One night Q City. So, one person come off in it. I really. 2 person. Why? You look like a pops. Enter to pops quiet and why am I lose? Me see ya. You see ya? Come pull you. You should have one there. I mean, 10. So why you black the game?
I did have to, but I just can't let out double 5.
10, 6. Put on your next time, man.
Me win.
Where?
You kill it and it still come back. You see?
Yeah, win that.
No, you never want to win.
Jamaica Good Life. But I still at it.
That way I do, man. I do some work, you know? Finishing touch. The finishing touch.
Yeah.
Before I lock and everything.
Right now.
Yeah, you know.
Pogba. Big baller.
Yeah.
Represent. Tell them say representing for Jamaica Good Life.
Good life.
Good life.
Like what I said with a capital G.
And see the bar, next bar, you fatter.
You know the thing, man.
Next bar,
Yeah, you know.
How you get that?
I'm small and here.
Man, I build up the ends. I build up them little spot with them chill spot. Little gardens. So Fatter,
Yeah.
what you saying on the positive side of the youth in Jamaica?
Use them for just stay up on the right side, you know. Don't get in no war. Not try with the gun. Don't do something negative, just do something positive. You
Yeah,
see me? Just try to do something with it.
yeah,
Try
true.
your skill, do something.
Yeah, cause this a skill, you know. To build a gate when none never do it.
Work, you know. Some man can't do this right now, you know.
True.
Until we set up a structure and put in a post.
True,
You
true.
see me?
Yeah.
The greatest thing we still know something. And
Alright.
it's a big step that we can know. So yeah, we can make something with Anton fashion.
Yeah, true.
And the cooking wise too, we have that in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah.
You see what you saw.
Yeah.
I do the little carpenter.
You see me? Say, great talent and a ball as well too. Be a baller there.
Be a baller the boat.
So you still a play?
A baller too, you know.
Yeah.
Make the people them now see your face behind the camera.
Yeah.
They don't know.
They know me.
Big up yourself.
You see me? You know how we do it. Really? Jamaica good life. Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Daily. You see me?
Good life.
Good life.
Move it.
The capital G.
Yeah.
So you said no work today, day off.
Yeah, you don't know Tuesday we are jump back on for the work, you know. And we have to dig up Culinary motors against.
Yeah.
Dig up Culinary motors against. We are marches.
Yeah, man. Okay, see there.
Yes, so the thing that Hanover Street.
Yeah.
So Tuesday we are jumping back around and dig up every staff.
Yeah.
Dig up themselves.
Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
You see what they are saying and live a good life.
Next Culinary member there too, you know.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Yeah. Jamaica good life.
Yeah, man.
Pogba.
Capital G.
The capital G. Better know. Oh, right now, so right now, I'm not see with no nail and nothing. Just go on. Oh, you hold the fence. Oh, you hold the fence.
Don't know you have style.
Yeah, Jabal. Drop him tool. You don't want your tool. You don't want you with the drop tool. How many years ago are we now?
One shot to it. Yeah, man. More outlet next way. Some for the next guy.
Man with the many talent here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah.
Killer chili, chef this year.
Yeah, man.
Great chef.
Up.
So I don't know if you don't want private chef see me cooking on the right pot. I treat my work and now I see me cook the pot, you see me? See me?
Right now, the youth them for just stay focused on the trade.
Yeah.
You see me? Find some woman, find some constructive do.
True.
Positive.
True.
And them badness thing now go nowhere.
True.
Good life, we say JGL, you see
Yeah,
me?
Jamaica good life. Yo,
See?
like that. Yeah, Jamaica good life. You see me? See there? Place is fruitful too.
You mean,
You see me? Need them there, keep it
and
positive.
Food and water and the girl them, you know.
Yeah.
Joy, you see me?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
On the positive side.
Positivity. You make a nice and happy.
Yeah. Fruitful. See there, we still unite and live it. Right now. My G busy on film phone.
Kino.
My G busy.
Good life.
You see me? We living it.
Good.
Good.
They I do some work, I do them in the phone still.
Yeah.
Take some local time still.
Yeah, make them know that overseas, so your Jamaica is still nice.
Yeah, man, Jamaica good, man.
Good life.
Good.
You see
As
me?
I right say,
And I want to hear.
the good man, Tina talking, you know.
Yeah.
Good. We do some work, you know. We do
You
some
see me?
Go on,
Easy.
chill chat. Yeah.
Sure. Good life. See the man them make chip one gate. No gate nobody there saying the man them build a gate. See that? Nice fry. I am me. Chicken wings? Yeah. Frying chicken wings. Yeah, it's the early setting. So we'll have vibes. Yeah. So 9-9.
Okay, what you done do then? Eh?
Get the something from
And do what? Wanna see the man? No, what's going on here?
them go up on Saturday.
Them the work on
And
Saturday.
then the ring up on
See this?
They come up by yard.
Family get together. I'm a fry fry, we'll have vibes.
Me want Friday come on.
Yes, I know. Oh. Good. You have to fry more chips now. Chips done again.
I get my bigger beer.
Only for people are wait. You're blind, Ayoka.
You see it, well, this is a sea view garden. Kingston, Jamaica, you know? Caribbean sea drive. So we do it when we're younger, you see it there? A girl that play football.
Sure.
These are the younger kids them there, so. You see me, I will a natural vibe.
Hard feet, I share the big ball.
Yeah, man, a sunny day in the street, that's how we do it. Football, you see me? On the feet. So we could spoil them and salad them quick.
In the street, take him man. Yeah, whoosh, rough enough. Yeah.
Fine.
Right. Go here. Rough enough. Look here. Yeah.
Yeah, hold him.
7 years out of the week.
Jamaica good life!
Yay! Jamaica good life. Tropical life.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I wanted to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.